Hablemos en todo idioma, un poquito de alemán, un poquito de inglés.
This is going to be a
English,
Spanish, German video today.
Yes.
We'll be.
Can you take over?
Yes.
On our way back home.
Talia, do you want to sit down? Everyone say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Talia is my mom's cousin's granddaughter.
My mom's cousin's grand.
Hey, Romy.
And my dad is my best friend.
Her dad is her best friend. Oh,
That's
that is beautiful.
And now I'm your mom's twin.
Yeah. And
This is my mom's twin sister. And we are
in
going
San Antonio.
to San Antonio. We're excited. This is a city we wanted to see for how long, Andre?
Since we came.
Since we came to the U.S. since 12 years ago. Not we, since Andre came to the U.S. It's been on our to-do list, and in fact, we almost moved to Fredericksburg. He almost got a job in Fredericksburg about 6 years ago. So we are excited. Today, we're just going to do Stations of the Cross. It's Good Friday, and then we're going to have a look around, and then we're going to
The downtown, you won't believe it, and
The river walk.
the river walk.
And you were there yesterday,
Yes,
and you loved it.
I loved it.
Okay, a lot of
Who
people.
did you go with? By
A
yourself?
lot
Or
of
did you go-
people, and the lights were beautiful. So hopefully by the time we get there, it's going to be dark. Is that them? Are we following them?
That is them, right, Andre?
Mom is crazy.
Maybe
Who's
we're going
crazy?
to the
My
old,
mom.
Your mom is crazy.
maybe we're going to the downtown
They don't have
church.
much money. They only have one.
Only one money?
Yeah.
Her mom is crazy. She's only got one money.
Because I wasn't
You're like, your mommy's like JoJo's mommy.
Oh, I think we're going to the city and then.
they're praying the whole song.
Oh,
that Jesus
beautiful.
was praying.
Which song?
When
All the
Jesus
prayers,
said-
the last prayers?
When Jesus said, Father, in your hands I commend my spirit and all of that. That is a song that the Jewish people did at 3 o'clock every Sabbath, or maybe just on the one day a year.
Yes.
So that's what he was saying. People think he thought the
Saying
Father-
random things.
Yeah,
Yes.
that the Father had forgotten him as a
But he
good
was
Jewish,
recalling.
He was recalling that.
So that anyone who knew the Old Testament would know,
Would know.
that this was the.
Yes.
I love that.
And to love you always and to do your will. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now.
Jesus was thrown down onto the cross. He stretched out his arms and offered his life to the Father and the Father.
That's very.
The soldiers nailed him to the cross and pushed the Father and died. Jesus, to my sin, I deserve to be punished, but your death is my sin.
No tendrías ninguna autoridad sobre mí si no te la hubiera.
Y con él a otros dos. Después de esto, uno de cada lado, y en medio Jesús. Pilato mandó escribir un letrero y ponerlo encima de la cruz. En él estaba escrito: Jesús de Nazaret, el Rey de los judíos.
So this is busy here. This is the river walk.
You know, the other day I saw a lot more
Crazy,
lights.
so many people.
Yes,
river right there. San Antonio River.
Yeah, it's 4.
It's a tiny little model.
Big, isn't it? Bigger than I thought.
So we are here at the Alamo. This is the Alamo in San Antonio. We're bringing Freya with us, and hopefully we can bring her in. I'm not sure. We'll see it right there. It is. So we're literally in the middle of San Antonio. This close to the river walk and everything. This is where the missionaries came originally, and where they built this church, this mission.
You hear that? We're free because they're sold out online and they're sold out here. So they're like, just go in because the tickets are sold out. So that's a pro tip. Don't plan for all my planners.
Wow, so then
No, that's cool. That's
think they're waiting for food.
I know, they should come right up.
Yeah.
And then they take it out, put it back in here. Well, it shoots it out. There's no bulletproof because you can't put the bulletproof down.
Love is my savior.
Anyway, they had the powder and the ball.
I'm on my knees.
Put the powder in there.
How many people lost in the war? Figuring out what love was for.
Let's start all over again.
Live ammunition on the street.
They didn't have that. We use this for. Because if I'm shooting, that's going to come this way. If you're next to me.
2 long years ago.
And the handgun works the same way?
Yes, sir.
Exactly the same way?
Yes, sir.
And the bayonet fits on this one? Yeah. Okay, awesome.
Sounds like everybody, so they're too close, right? You don't have no time.
Right to reload. That's long. That's
Makes it even longer with it.
yeah.
And before they realized what to do, right? Well, they only had one knife, right? So when they would stab them, there goes their base. So that's why they said, you know what? Let's improve on that one. Let's put another notch on it. So that way when they got stabbed, they wouldn't.
Doesn't fall off. Yeah.
And they were real sharp, real pointy. Mine ain't because I don't want to get hurt myself.
Right.
You know what I mean? But like they did, the Geneva Convention, because of the way of the triangulator, right? The bloodline.
Right.
Well, back in the day, well, this war is war, right? One time, maybe not. Well, this is like pro war because this one here, you could fix a wound like this. So nowadays, any other war, the war they're on right now, they can only have either wrong one or that one.
Yeah.
Because they can fix them. But this, they couldn't fix them, so.
Did both sides use this? Did both sides use this?
Yes. This is like what the Mexicans sold too. But everybody started buying them and bulk because they were real cheap back in the day.
And your uniform?
It's not a uniform. This is what they wore. That's what they wore. That's what they wore.
Okay.
The only uniform was with the Mexican army.
Okay.
Real army.
All right.
They're just a ragtag of people in this. They were trying to protect their country.
Okay.
But the name of their country.
Uh-huh.
But it was their Mexico, but it was their country.
Right.
It was called Texas. That's why we call it Texas.
Mhm.
Here.
Do you ever actually shoot a gun?
Yes, sir. Oh, not with no musket ball, right? But when we do reenactments, I do load them up and shoot it with powder. But this is what they used to use back in the day.
Wow.
Unbelievable. See, that's why, like back in the day, also when they would hit you like this, and so you would see a lot of people with their appendages cut off. Because
Right.
with that would shatter it. You can't fix it.
Yeah. No, they can't fix that.
They didn't have the technology back then. They would just shatter it. They just shatter it.
Yes. It's heavy. Well, thank you very much.
Thanks for
Appreciate
coming,
it.
guys.
Sure.
Thank you.
Love is my savior. I'm on my knees.
Died until the 14th day. They had some
We had a
injuries.
well inside.
No one died, and on the 14th day, everyone died. I love how he
They
does
had
that. That's so sad.
It is so sad. This is to light, to ignite it, push the ball
Oh,
back.
I see. Wow.
Yeah, we'll start taking it.
Wow.
Yeah, a 6-pounder right here.
Oh, wow.
And it was just the ball, right? The ball didn't blow up or anything.
Well, it did if it was a shrapnel. So there are different types of projectiles that you could use. So this was a solid shot.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is a signature.
Careful,
just
don't
be
pull.
careful.
It just breaks walls.
So it's try it.
It's heavy. Be careful.
Max and Josephine, I want better behavior.
I like your dress. It's pretty.
Pretty heavy, right?
Is that your favorite?
So how would that work then? How would they put explosives in
Oh
there?
my goodness.
Well, you would have to hollow it out.
Okay.
Once you
Feel
hollow
it
out
under.
this ball, and then you can load it with smaller shots.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Are you German?
Yes.
Oh shit, my mom's German.
Oh really?
Yeah, I kann Deutsch.
Yeah.
Oh, super.
My grandparents.
Sind Sie aus Texas? Von hier?
Ich bin aus Chicago, aber ich bin in Fort Worth stationiert. Ich
Okay.
bin bei der Army.
Oh yeah.
You don't look at German
There
at
you
all.
go.
Thanks very much.
It's a small world.
Not a
yeah.
bit.
It is.
No.
Your mustache, maybe. Yeah, you talked to us at Goliath. Doesn't he? Look like the guy from Goliath?
Mm-hmm.
Who you were talking to?
In my wagon. In my wagon, you little brother.
Good.
That's good. What do you get?
Mint, chocolate chip, cookies and cream, and what's it called again?
I don't know. What did you get, Bodhi? Did you get ice cream? What do you have, Max? Sebastian?
Mint chocolate chip, butter pecan, and coffee.
What's your favorite?
Coffee.
What?
Coffee.
Coffee. What's your favorite?
Oh, this one's caramel.
What's chocolate? Chocolate cake?
I didn't try it yet.
What's yours? What do you like best? Romy? The red or the chocolate? Strawberry? Which one did you like best? Now we just came back from visiting the missions, the Alamo and the river walk one more time. What did you all think? Basti, what did you think about the missions?
I like them.
What else do you think?
What did you say?
They were very nice.
Okay.
I like them a lot.
Was a shame that the one Mission Concepcion was closed. That's apparently the most realistically historically accurately kept church.
Is that the one I stayed in the car?
Kind of weird though. It didn't have like a fence around it.
Yes, it was all taken down already because of history. Like the Alamo didn't have the wall either, or just a few bits remaining. And then, what's a shame, we missed the first one too. We didn't go to the first one.
I think we'll see that
but maybe we can do it tomorrow or so another time. Yes, I think it's definitely worth it. I think they were kept beautifully inside.
Do you know what, Andre? I didn't know much about the Alamo, and I didn't know it was like right in the middle of the city.
Yeah. So that's the next thing. What did you think about the Alamo? Do you think at first I thought it was underwhelming when we got in there, into the mission itself, into the church?
Yeah.
And there was not much to see, was there? There wasn't like, it didn't look like a church, but it hadn't been used as a church in forever. It was not like all the others.
Maybe they don't want people to be underwhelmed, so they don't film it. Maybe that's why.
All the other missions were still active churches or at least holy grounds, you know, and
Okay, my turn. Brooklyn.
Wow.
Brooklyn's already with
All right, give her time. Ooh. I love how the pool ripples.
La manera en que esto dice, siempre decía los que no lo son. Gracias, Señor, por la familia. Gracias por los niños. Y bendice, Señor. Amén.
thank you. Right, everybody, that's it from the FreeWayTribe out of San Antonio. We had a good time here, and yeah, I hope you liked this episode. See you later.
Thanks for tuning in.